Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. Yesterday, gold tested around 1832. In my evening stream, I have given resistance around 1832 to my subscribers. Currently, gold prices are trading at 1827. Yesterday, wholesale inflation came higher than expected, which pushed the gold prices. And again, market is estimating and anticipating that higher inflation will put pressure onto Fed and they will have to increase the rate even before 2023. So that is what anticipated by buyers and they reached the 1832 level. However, if you change the chart from 1 hour to daily, you will find it that gold have tested 1833, 34 at least thrice this year. As you can see, 1834, 1834, again 1833. So this is the major resistance in today's market, and support have changed since yesterday. So let me give you the levels for today, then we will talk further. So 1834 will act as major resistance in gold prices, and this is a very big resistance. If gold break this resistance and manage to sustain above that level, then expect gold prices to test up to 1840, and even 1850 is also possible. Support at 1818, not 1718 actually, 1818. If market break 1818 and sustain below that level, then expect gold price to test up to 1810, and even 1800 is also possible. Currently gold trend is pretty flat, so trade accordingly. Gold trend is still not clear because market need to break the resistance or support. So trade very carefully. If you have any position, make sure you have a very strict stop loss. Let's move on to silver. One more thing. Today we have inflation numbers from US. These will be the major numbers which could drive gold prices higher or lower. Depends on the numbers. So trade accordingly. Inflation number will come around 7 p.m. according to Indian Standard Timing. We also have unemployment claims, same 7 p.m. Let's move on to silver. Silver is trading 24.35. It made low around 24.03. If you remember our support, it was 24.15 and it broke the resistance. It broke the support I meant and entered in weak zone. But unfortunately, it couldn't. It seems like a fake breakout when we see now because it is just recovering in every candle. Currently, it is trading 24.35. But it is still trading in weak zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support now. 24.45 will act as major resistance in silver price now. If silver break 24.45 and sustain above that level, then expect silver to test up to 24.80, and even $25 is also possible. Support again stands at 24.15. If market break 24.15 and sustain below that level, then expect $24, and even 23.70 is also possible. Currently, as you can see, silver is in weak zone. We will stick with our levels. We will not get biased that silver have fired back. So let's stick with levels. Let's move on to crude oil. MCX levels have given at the last of this video, at the end of this video. So crude oil is trading almost $83. It tested 83.30. It has entered in positive zone. So let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. 81.50 will act as support now. If market break 81.50 and sustain below that level, then only crude oil will enter in weak zone. Below 81.50, crude oil could test up to $81 and even $80 is also possible. 84.20 will act as resistance now. If market break 84.20 and sustain above that level, then expect $85 and $86. Currently, crude oil is trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to euro. This is euro. Yesterday, I have given a resistance of 1610. It made high around 16.8. Currently trading 1584. Interestingly, euro have entered in weak zone. So let's quickly have a look at resistance and support now. Again, 1610 will act as resistance in euro now. If market breaks 1610 and sustain above that level, then expect euro to test up to 1630 and 1650. A very strong support at 1545. That is the support. If market breaks 1545, then expect 1510 and even 1450 is also possible. Let's move on to pound. This is pound. Nothing significant happened in pound in last 10 hours at least. Currently, pound is trading in positive zone. So let's quickly find out the resistance and support. After pound, we will see Bitcoin and MCX levels. 35.20 will act as support in pound now. If market break 35.20 and sustain below that level, then expect 34.80 and 34.40. Resistance at 36.05. If market break 36.05, then expect 36.50. If you want to avail paid buy sell signal, send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen. Let's move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. These are the levels I have given in my live stream yesterday. The level have changed. Trend have also changed. So let me update these levels for you. Resistance now stands at $68,100. Support, however, stands at $65,200. The trend has changed from positive to weak. So trade accordingly. Let's move on to MCX levels now. Gold, MCX gold is trading 48,220. Resistance at 48,330. 48,330 resistance है. Support stands at 48,050. 48,050 support है. I am giving these level according to this USD INR. I will also update MCX levels around 5 PM. 5 बजे लेवल अपडेट करूंगा MCX के. कम्युनिटी पोस्ट में लेवल डाल दूंगा. ज्वाइन का बटन दबा के देख सकते हैं. Let's move on to silver. Silver is trading 64,820. Silver resistance at 65,220. 65,220 सिल्वर का रेजिस्टेंस है. सपोर्ट स्टैंड्स एट 64,100. 64,100 सिल्वर का सपोर्ट है. आई विल ऑल्सो स्ट्रीम live on my other channel before US market open, so make sure you subscribe that channel. We will discuss inflation numbers and unemployment claims on that channel, so make sure you subscribe that. For paid signal, send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen and also available in description. I will see you in evening. Till then, take care. Bye bye.